Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the synchronization time in the calendar on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have, it is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down and tap on calendar. So tap right here, then you want to swipe down again and go into sync. And here you can set up what do you want to synchronize. So events 2 weeks back, events 1 month back, 3 months or 6 months, or all events. So all the calendar you're going to have synchronized. So you can set up between those which time is the most appropriate for you. So you can synchronize only events like 2 weeks back, or only events 1 month back, or 3 months, or 6 months, so half a year, or all the events. So it's up to you what you would like to synchronize, and once you tap on the specific option, you are going to have a tick next to it, so it means that this one is set. I'm going to leave the all events because this works the best for you, but now you know how to set up the synchronization time in the calendar on iPhone. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.